They are still in there. Let's try one contact.
You want to bring your neck as again. You can't confess. So I will let you. You can't confess. You want to bring your neck as again.
Make I bust your head now. Come on, come on. I go beat out of you. What do you do? Quiet. Then you guys are the boss. Yes. Where's that boss and that boss? Nura. Yes, the boss. The boss. Nura. Come on there. Look at this one now. Oh, get the pen. Let nobody see. Open the iron. Push it on the gates. Lock that gate. Push everybody. Open that Because everybody, all constitutional authority, nobody has the power. Nobody has any singular power in this country.
to have to build and to diminish the opposition. It's never possible. It's never been done before. I think America is watching this, and I believe the Trump that we have, that we voted in, is watching this. Yes, the war in general.
Contact! Hey!
Let's go, let's move on.
No one comes around. You should go away. Saturday. I'm going to record you.
Are you not participating? Are you people not participating before you become governor? Is it not?
Mr. Bassi.
Just arrange yourself. Arrange yourself.
Yes, sir. Are you good? Let's go, sir.
Hey, can you arrange yourself properly?
Emma, push no now. Let's go, sir.
Well, we are here because our chairman invited us for the inaugural meeting of the brand new NWC after the convention in Oyo, in Ibadan. And as we came, we met some people there. The whole place was barricaded by the police. Our chairman has given explanation. We are not just here to cause trouble, or this is our own place. And some imposters who have been expelled by the convention, which is the highest decision organ of the party, came to cause commotion. And you can see the minister of the FCT coming himself, in person, being backed by the police. We are surprised because at the point when the police allowed us in, our chairman praised them for impartiality. But here we are. We are here to sit in to see what will happen. Our property, we have been tear gassed as governors. We have been molested in spite of our immunity in time and whatever that we have as leaders in our own right with our chairman. Well, it is for the nation to gauge the kind of democracy we have, the kind of leadership that we have. I will advise the presidency that it should not keep people who are no longer useful in terms of managing the political space, managing our diversity, creating unity and governance. We don't want to cause trouble to anybody. Yes, we are in the opposition. We should be allowed to survive. The international community should know what we are going through. We are going through hell. Our party is being destroyed by people from inside. And the relevant laws were invoked to get them out. And we are here to inaugurate our leaders. And look at what is happening. So we are not going anywhere, even if they will kill us. Me and my colleague, the governor of Oyo, will oblige our chairman's invitation. Maybe you will hear more from him, but certainly we are cautioning that this thing is getting out of hand. Enough is enough.
Mr. Chairman, let's come to the video.
Yes.
Yesterday, we accompanied you to the FCT. When you told the FCT commissioner of police about a possibility of what is happening today, what assurance did you get from the police yesterday?
Well, yesterday, when I had an interface with the commissioner of police of the FCT, I told him that we're privy to an information that people who have been expelled from our party are planning to come to our headquarters to disrupt our activities. And the Commissioner of Police FCT assured me, upon his honor, that they will do whatever is possible to protect us and guarantee us safe passage into our premises.
Now, let us stop there.
Now we are here. Our serving and former governors are here. Our members of National Assembly are here. Our members of Board of Trustees are here. And you've seen how they are now granted access to the Minister of the FCT, a person that has been declared persona non grata in PDP, a person that had been expelled, to come in. They have tear gas us and tear gas even our governors who under the Constitution. So we will be now calling on international community. I want to call on President Trump. What is at stake is not just genocide against Nigerian Christians. He should come and save democracy in Nigeria. Democracy is under threat. I'm calling on all other developed nations, all advanced democracies, come and save Nigeria, come and save democracy. Because I cannot understand how a serving minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be leading talks, armed talks, and then with the active connivance and support of the police to come and create mayhem here. I have said it, we are willing to lay down our lives to protect our office, to protect our democracy, to protect our mandate. So Nigerians, you are watching what is happening. International community, you are seeing the threat that Nigerian democracy is. Come and save us. Come and save us.
PDP!
This party, Bala Mohammed, not belong to any government. This party belongs to people.
Hey, stop. Hello. Don't do that again. Okay? See that here. We're not fighting here. No more tear gassing. No more tear gassing.
I am here as a chief protocol officer of this party.
We are not fighting now.
Chief protocol of this party. What do we want for this party is peace. We want peace. But anybody when no one peace, you go to the peace.
Yes, that's all.
The one
That's all.
in this party.
Yes.
I don't fear anybody
At all.
I want to share together for 22 years. Now I am in this party. I stand here to tell you now. I stand here. The best thing or the governors to go do with Wike is to make peace.
Yes.
All of them need to go make peace now.
With him.
With him. Because
Wike.
you cannot do any gathering. You cannot do any gathering. And I know. This party, nobody can kill this party. At all. It's my okay. You understand? But what did I have done? Make them make sure peace love for this party. If not like that, I go move everybody. When everybody ask me, everybody know me in this town.
Say Abdurrahman. Say AMT.
In a God meeting,
Say Abdurrahman.
visit Wike, and he takes
Say Abdurrahman. Say Abdurrahman.
Say Abdulrahman. Say Sam Daddy. Say Daddy. If they don't want them, then see kacha.
Yes,
Let me talk.
yes.
I know they talk, but if I talk, everyone is going to hear it.
Yes, sir.
I'm constitutionally funding me for this party. Where are they?
ọkọ orí ẹ̀rọ lọ́wọ́lé owó àárín wọn lọ. laptop mo rí ẹ pàṣẹ. Oh yes, sure. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Right. Eléyìí wọ́n ti sùn protest wọ́n ti àgáàsì wọ́n ti àwọn olólè ti àgáàsì wá sí ìrèlè ìṣẹ́ ìṣọ́nà wọ́n ti kó àwọn owó ti bọ̀lẹ̀ ó bọ́lẹ̀ ẹni tó ti wọlé padà wọ́n ti àgáàsì ó ti bọ̀lẹ̀ báyìí ó wà ní ìlànà báyìí ọ̀dọ̀ wọn tẹ̀ ẹ́ nípa ẹ̀sìn wọ́n ń kópa ọkọ náà wọn tó wà ní Wike tẹ tó wà ní bàtà wọn bàbá òsì bàbá ọ̀nà fún bàbá ló fọ̀ ọ́n bàbá fọ̀ náà ìlú ìkọ̀ tó bàbá ló fọ̀ àwọn fọ̀ nínú ọdún tó wà ní ọ̀nà ọ̀nà yóò wà ẹsẹ̀ àmì ọ̀pọ̀ lójú àlọ́ fún ilé ẹ̀rọ àdúgbò gbogbo rẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ ṣé kí lọ sẹ́ǹtì kò sí nígbà òkè ọwọ́ ìgbà ìgbà lọ sẹ́ǹtì ìgbà àpọ̀ tí kò tí bọ́lẹ̀ wá bọ́lẹ̀ pọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa pẹ́ nìkan fún máa rẹ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú no colleague mi máa yọ pàtì máa sẹ́ǹtì ẹ̀ pàtì tèmi máa bàa fún máa rẹ́pọ̀ lọ ẹni tó bá tẹ̀lé ẹ̀gbọ́. Mr. Tunde.